So model 1 on the problem. So here is a only one switches are there, only one switch. Okay, here source is there. Source is present mean non-homogeneous comparison. So step 1 you will going to find out the KVL method, you will going to find out. Okay, after find out, rearrange. So di by dt, then you will going to write about that one. So divided by 3. Why means, so my equation is similar to that equation number 2. So then only easily I will going to compare to find out what is the p value and the q value. Once I will going to find out the p value and the q value, substitute into the non-homogeneous I of the equations. So substitute to, I will going to find out the fourth, so equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. I will going to substitute it. After that, I need to find out the constant. How to find out? T is equal to 0, I of t is equal to 0. Substitute the t is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Then you will going to find out the what is the k value. Once you will going to find out the k value, directly I have moved on that one. So you can try on that your note. So once you will going to find out the k value, so substitute into that equation, this equations k value can replace into the 0, 0 into everything 0. Then only this terms I value is this terms. Then this terms you will going to take the integration to complete about that one I value. And after I value, you have final equation of I value can completed. T is equal to 0, you can substitute. Where is the t? This is a portion. So t is equal to 0, substitute to find out the I value. What is I value? So I value is a 0. So 1 minus 1, so 0. Then t is equal to infinity value can substitute in that place, and what is the find out that one I value can find out. So I value can going to find out. So now I value is 1.24. Okay, then you will go to draw the curve I versus the t. So this is a model number 1. Only one switches are present and the source is the present. So model number okay, this is a model number 3 problem. So there is a two switches. Okay, switch 1 is closed. So switch 1 is closed. Then you can find out the I value. Okay, so during the time inductance is not charged. So only can consider, okay, source is a 4 volt and close the switch and connected to that 3 ohm resistance. Then close the circuits. I is equal to Ohm's law, V by R, V is a 4, divided by R value is a 3. Then you will going to find out the I. So this is very important for substitute into this place. Substitute into that step number 4 in that place for find out the constant. Okay, then you can coming to this one. Okay, source is present, switch number 2 is closed, source is present. If source is present means you go to that one non-homogeneous only. Then as usual, that is it consists of 4 steps. Okay, step number 1, find out the KVL. Okay, and then write the term as similar to that equation number 2. Then easy to can compare. I find out the p value and q value. Once find out the p value and q value, substitute into the equation number 3. I have written the equation number 3. Substitute the p place and the q place you can substitute. Then next one, step number 4, t is equal to 0 and I is equal to step 0. What is that one? 1.33. Substitute and substitute to find out the what is the k value in the equation. K value you will going to find out, it will come 1.33. Once k value can found, substitute into the fourth equation. Okay, this equation k value can substitute it and then further simplify, then your answer is I value can get it on this one. As similar, t is equal to 0, substitute the I value, t is equal to infinity, substitute the I value. Okay, substitute the t is equal to infinity to find out the I value. So once you will going to get it on this two, so t is equal to 0, 1.33, t is equal to infinity, then I 1. So your curve is like come this type of shape. Okay, this is about the oral method of the problem. Similarly, next we go ahead and run the RC method of the problem. So RC method also, what is that one? Here is a source is present. Source is present means non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous equation, only two equation and a third equation is written. Okay, step number 1 is as similar, KVL. Find out the KVL. Here is a V is equal to VR plus VC. So V is equal to VR plus VC. What is VR? I into R. I value into R. VC I will going to keep it as it is. It is equal to 7 volt. Then I value I will going to substitute in that one. So flow of the current common. What is that one? I is equal to C dot dV by dt. Then substitute into the I place. Okay, I got substituted and then I want to substitute it. My equation is as similar to that second equation I need to frame. Okay, 2.1 is coming, so divide by 2.1, so dvc by dt plus vc divided by 2.1, 2.1, it is equal to 7 divided by 2.1. So simplify, you are going to get these equations. Okay, in that equation, what is the p value? This is a p value. What is the q value? This is a q value. P value and q value you can got and substitute into the equation number 3. I have written the equation number 3. So p value can substitute and the q value can substitute. Okay, then this is the equation number 4. I got it. I got completed. Then step number 4, t is equal to 0. Vc, not previously I value, but here is a Vc. So Vc value c t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Substitute t is equal to 0 in that equation, and Vc is equal to 0. Find out the k value. K values you will get the k is equal to 0. Then k value can substitute, and then you will going to simplify your answer. Vc you can got it. So this is a Vc value. As similar t is equal to 0, you can substitute in that place. Another one is find out the Vc value. When t is equal to 0, Vc is equal to 0. So both also 0. Then t is equal to infinity, you can substitute and then find out the Vc. The answer is 6.99. So you can draw the curve like. So this is about that one RC method. RC method only one is you can keep in your mind. So I instead of the VC is a present. I instead of the VC it is a present. Then RC with the two sources are present. Two sources are the present. Two sources. Okay, here two switches. So two switches. Switch number 1 is closed. So at the time switch number 1 is closed, it means find out the VC. Previously what do you find out? I value confound. So this is in this model I value confound. In this model RC model means you can find out the VC. So switch number, okay, so one is closed. Source is a 6 voltage connected to that resistance, and then capacitance it is taking time to charge. So closed circuit. Then what is the value of the VC? VC is equal to V, source voltage. What is that one? VC is equal to V. So V value 6. So VC is equal to 6. So that's all I got it. Then coming to that one, in that place you will going to substitute. In that place step number 4 you can substitute. Okay, then switch number B is closed. Okay, it is a source is a present. If source is present means compare with the non-homogeneous equations. Okay, as similar to that equation 2 and 3, as similar to the previous one. Okay, so here RC is present, that's why BC is a present, only one is a difference. Okay, so as step number 1, find out the KVL. KVL is equal to V is equal to VR plus VC. Okay, write it. VR means 4 into I plus VC, it is equal to supply voltage is a 5. Then I will go to substitute into the I value. So then I value I got substituted. I value C dot dVc divided by dt. What is the C value? 0.6 plus Vc. Then I want to equate to that equation number 2. So based on that one, I will going to rewrite. So 2.4 is move this side. Vc divided by 2.4, 5 divided by 2.4. This is about the Q value. This is a P value. Once P value and Q value I got it, then substitute into the equations. Then equation you will going to substitute. Okay, to find out that one, this is equation number 4. So substitute into that one P value and Q value. This is equation number 4 you will going to get. Okay, step number 4. So substitute T is equal to 0 and Vc is equal to, what is the Vc value? Step 0 equations. Vc is equal to 6. Then 6 you can substitute. In the equation you can substitute to find out the what is the constant K. So once constant is the K, you will going to find out, substitute in that place, then you will going to complete this answer. So this is a method. So this what is the difference? So here is a previously I RL circuit I, here is a VC. RL circuit means I is there, here is a RC circuit means VC. Then that VC value you need to substitute. That's all. Okay, this is a VC value. So T is equal to 0, VC value you can find out. Substitute the T is equal to 0, find out the VC. If T is equal to infinity, then substitute to find out the VC. Then draw the curve. When T is equal to 0 at the time, what is the VC? 6. When infinity means 5. So draw the curve like. So this is about the RC circuit. RL and RC circuits. RL, RC circuit. Two problem we were discussed about RL. Okay. Model 1, model 3. RC circuit model 1 and model 3. Okay. Only one thing is you want to keep in your mind. Here is a VC. Previously RL circuit means I. That I value can substitute into the fourth equation. As similar here VC value substitute into that one fourth equation. Next one is RLC circuit. RLC circuits. So what are the steps you will going to keep in your mind? Step number 1 is find out the KVL. V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. This is equation number 0. Then after that I will going to substitute the R value, L value and C value. Then after that I will going to differentiate one time. Then after that is shorthand. D by dt is equal to D. This is a step number 1 is over. As similar to that derivation step number 1. Then step number 2 of the derivation, compare with the quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So quadratic equation compare with that equations and find out the what is d1 and d2. Once d1 value and d2 value can find out, step number 3, substitute the d1 value and the d2 value. So this is equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. Then put that one I is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, t is equal to 0 to find out the constant C1, C2. So this is I have mentioned as an A. Okay, then after that I will going to differentiate this equation one time. So differentiate equation to I will going to get d is a differentiate mean di by dt. Excuse me. So this is the equation I will going to get. And after that, step number 5. So VR, okay, here V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. Then substitute that one VR value, VC value and I is equal to 0. Then find the VL value. In that one I will going to find out the VL value. After find out the VL value, then I will move to the step number 6. Find di by dt. So di by dt. How to find out? L is equal to, so VL is equal to L dot di by dt. Only di by dt means VL dot by L. Then substitute the VL and L value to find out the di by dt. Okay, substitute the di by dt into the equation number 2. So this equation you will going to substitute into this di by dt, and then you will going to so you will going to get it on this ones, and substitute the t is equal to 0 to find the b equations. Now you can A equation available, B equation available. Use the calculator to find out the C1 and the C2. Solve 2 you will going to find out, and after that substitute into the first equations. So these are the totally 8 steps is there. So the 8 step to complete about RLC. I will repeat once again. Go to the problems. So step number 1. So find out that KVL. V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. V is equal to, what is the V? 2 voltage. It is equal to VR. I into R. I into 10 plus VL. What is the VL? L dot di by dt. L value 2 into di by dt plus Vc. What is the Vc? 1 by C. 1 by C integration I dot dt. So this is my equations. Simplify 1 dot by this answer. Yes, 12. So this is my equations. Then differentiate d by dt one time. So differentiate. So di by dt, d squared I by dt squared plus 12 into I only. It is equal to constant. So 0. Then after that is shorthand. D by dt is replaced into the capital D. D squared, D, that's all. I is common in outside. Over. So this equation, go to that one quadratic equations. Quadratic equation formula substitute. A value 1, B value 5, C value 6. Minus B plus formula. Minus B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC. Substitute to find out that what is D1, D2. I got it d1 minus 2, d2 minus 3. Then substitute the d1 and the d2 into that equation number 1. I is equal to c1 into e power d1 plus c2 into e power d2 t. So this is the first equation. Then find out the constant. How to find out the constant? Put the I is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, I places 0, t places 0. Then 0 is equal to c1 plus c2. This is a equation. Okay, differentiate one time in the equation. What is this one? Equation number 1. Differentiate one time. So di by dt, it is equal to you can differentiate this term constant int e power minus 2t int power, what is that one, minus 2. Similarly c2 dot e power minus 3t int power value minus 3. So this is about that one differentiation one time. So fourth step is completed. Step number 5. So what is I will going to do? So KVL as it is, V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. It is equal to V. Substitute the VR. What is VR? I int R plus VL plus the VC. What is the VC? 1 dot by C integration I dot dt. It is equal to V. Yes. Substitute the I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. So VL. VL it is equal to V only. V is equal to V only. What is the V value? V is equal to 2 volt. Then V is equal to 2 volt. So I got it. Then next one, find V di by dt. Yeah, VL is equal to L dot di by dt. Then di by dt only one side. VL dot by L. Okay. VL dot by L. Okay. Now you already found the VL. Okay. Substitute the VL 2 volt divided by L value 2. L is a 2 Henry. 2. So 2 by 2 answer is a 1. So you found about that one di by dt. So put it into the equation number 2. Di by dt is a 1. Substitute into the equation number 2, you can substitute. In the place 1 you can substitute. So 1 it is equal to this equations. Okay, I got substituted. Substitute into t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. Then find the b equations. So A equation I got it, C1 plus C2 is equal to 0. B equation I got it, 2C1 plus 3C2 it is equal to minus 1. Use the calculator. A and B. Substitute to solve on that one to find out what is C1 and C2 from the calculator. Once you will go to C1, C2, you got it. Substitute into the first equations and write the equations. That's all about that one RLC circuit.